interquartile range of this particular function, what we need to do is we need to take a different approach to it, because usually what we do is we find the 25th percentile, we find the 75th percentile, and then after that we subtract the two. But with this question, it's not really possible. So what we can do is we can first understand that due to symmetry, this median is going to be at x equals 0. All right, so we know that if we relate this to a box plot, I've drawn this box plot here to give you some sort of other visual, x equals 0 will be the median. Now the median covers 50% below, and there is 50% more above to be covered. And when we're talking about quartiles, each quartile is worth 25%. Okay, so I mean it's in its name, quartile. So when we're talking about this, it's quartiles. Now, we can use the Q2, so this is the median, as a reference point. And if you want to work out what the lower quartile is, okay, what we can do is we can find the integral from some lower bound, a, up until 0 of f of x dx. In this case, it's going to be the first equation, which is 0.5 e to the power of negative x dx. Okay, and when we solve this, we want to solve this for 25%. So 0.25. The reason why we want to solve for 25% is because if you see this diagram here, okay, that area is 25%. So we want to find out only a quarter. So we only want to find 25% here. And once we work out the value for A will give us the lower quartile. Okay, or Q1 in this case. Oh, sorry. Now, we can do the exact same thing for the other side. The other side, we want to work out up to here, and that's going to be 25%. So we're going to go the antiderivative, or the integral of 0 to some bound b. Okay, and that will be an area worth 25% as well. So 0.5 e to the power of x dx is equal to 0.25. Now, once you work out your b value, that's going to be your upper quartile. Okay, and that's going to be Q3. And to find the interquartile range, you just work out what the value of b, subtract a is, and then you'll get your interquartile range. So just make sure that you solve this one for A and solve this one for B.